Okay. In a class, each of 200 students, in a class, each of 200 students in a class is a member of at least one of three clubs, i.e. ISTE, DDFC. 80 members or 80 students are member of IE, 90 are member of ISTE, and 100 students are member of DDFC. Now we want what is the maximum possible number of students who are member of all three clubs. This is very basic question. Now method 1, I already explained in one of my video that 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 200, and 1 plus 2 times of 2 plus 3 times of 3 is equal to 80 plus 90 plus 100 means 270. So second equation minus first equation will give us 2 plus 2 times of 3 is equal to 70. Now we want maximum value of this. So minimize this value, put this value equal to 0. So 2 equal to 0. So 2 times of 3 is equal to 70. So 3 is equal to 35. So maximum value will be 35. This is one of the method. Now we will see another way to tackle these problems. Venn diagram method. Let this our sorry. This is IE. Members in IE is equal to 80. This is ISTE. Member in ISTE is equal to 90. And this is DDFC. Members in DDFC is equal to 100. Now check another matter. What is the maximum possible number of students who joined all the three clubs? Mean we want to maximize this value. Now look this question in another way. Now let this value is 0. This is only these three are other circles. This is here, this is here, this is here, means this is IE, this is IST, this is DDFC, and this is 80, this is 90, and this is 100. So total number of members in this case will be 80 plus 90 plus 100 is equal to 270. In this case, when no common part, then total number of member is 270, but our total number of members is 200. So this is not possible. So we have some values there. That if I put 1 here, check. If I put 1 here, then this value will decrease by 1, 79. This value always also decrease by 1, 89, and this value also decrease by 1, 99. So this what will happen to this overall value? This value will decrease by 1, this value will decrease by 1, this value will decrease by 1, and this value increased by 1. So overall decrement of 2. So this 270 will become 268. Now check another case. If I put 2 here, then this value will become 88, this value will become 78, this value will become 98. So overall decrement of 4. So this value will become 264, and we want to convert this 270 to 200. So overall decrement should be 70. So what value will I will put here? 35. So maximum value we can put here is 35. So our maximum possible number of students who are members of all three clubs will be 35. I hope this concept is clear now. Very basic questions but very important for CAT and Z. Okay. Now check second question. In first question our answer will be 30. Now check second question. This is our IE. This is our ISTE, and this is our DDFC. Okay, this is 80, this is 90, and this is 100. Now second question. If 25 students are member of only IE means this portion, this is 25. So only I 25, this portion means this portion is 25. So this portion, this whole portion plus this whole portion will be 200 minus 25 is equal to 175. Okay, now check. I'm writing this here. Check here. Here are two circles. Here are two circles. This value is 90. This value is 100 and overall value is 175. So what will be this common portion value? Let this is x. So when x, then 90 plus 100 minus x is equal to 175. So x will be 190 minus 175 is equal to 15. So this portion, this whole portion will be this common portion. This common portion will be 15. This portion. This portion is 5. This portion is 15. Now what is the maximum number of persons who are member of all three clubs? This is, we want to maximize this value. So put this value equal to 0. So this value will be 15. Simple question. I hope this is clear. This is 80. This is 25. Check again. I'm repeating this once again. This is IE. This is ISTE. And this is DDFC. This is 80, this is 90, and this is 100. Now only IE is equal to 25. So this portion plus this portion will contain 175, means this is 90, this is 100, and this whole portion is 175. So this common portion will be 90 plus 100 minus x is equal to 175. So x is equal to 15. This common portion will be 15. This whole common portion will be 15, and we want to maximize this value, all three. So put this value equal to 0. So this value will be 15. So maximum number of person who member of all three clubs will be 15, and our first answer is 35. I hope this is clear. Okay, now third question. This is IE, this is ISTE, and this is DDFC. This is 80, this is 90, and this is 100. Now 130 students belong to either IE, means this portion, or ISTE, means this portion, means, and total students are 200, means this portion will be 200 minus 130, means this portion will be 70. This portion is 70. Okay, now we have two circles. This is IE, this is IST. This is 80, this is 90, and overall value is 130. So this common portion, will let this common portion is x. So 80 plus 90 minus x is equal to 130. So x will be equal to 40. So this whole common part, this common part is equal to 40. Okay, now we want at least how many members belong to both IE and IST but not DDFC, means we want to minimize this value, this portion. So we want, sorry, I'm drawing circle again. This is IE, this is IST, and this is DDFC. This portion is 70, and this whole portion, this whole portion is 40, and we want to minimize this value. So minimum value will be, we know that this whole portion is, this DDFC is equal to 100, and this portion is already 70. So this portion will be 30. So this portion, value of this portion will be 10. So minimum value of at least how many members belong to IE and ST but not DDFC is equal to 10. So minimum value will be 10. I hope this is clear.